You've probably heard things like, I'm on a remote job because I'm a tech guy, making cool money from the comfort of my room, no university degree, and yeah, I'm earning up to 7 figures per month. The hype and trend is making other careers or skills seem less important, almost like the rating between iPhone versus Android users. Digital skills, or let's say tech, is one top on the list. With the way information is circulating, knowledge increasing, and improvement to what is already existing through the help of the internet and the smartphones now accessible to almost everyone, learning has become easy. Solution to a tough problem is right there at a child's fingertip. To make it complex, if you Google top 10 skills to learn in 2022, it's more about this tech. This brings us to finding answer to these questions. What is this tech? Who are these tech guys? And how are they making money from this tech? Okay, let me show you 6 common tech skills and what they are all about. Yeah, let me make it simple for you. Okay, if you're finding this informative, then a sub to this channel will be transformative. Number 1, content creation. If you're watching this video, then content is not a thing far from you. Getting this information across to you is a video content I sat down and I wrote. Generally, when you want to publish a product, an article, biography, and even send a mail, that is what is referred to as content creation. Many persons and businesses cannot compose good marketing contents or create entertaining scripts. Why some do not have the time to do it, therefore they look for someone who can and pay the individual to do it. These contents can be in graphic form. This gives rise to graphic designer, a skill that requires information with designs, and the interesting part, you don't have to be a core graphic software expert to start making designs. Web applications like Canva and Adobe Stock gives you the opportunity to adjust templates as you like. To be more professional, learn software like Photoshop, Affinity Designer, or CorelDRAW, and you'll be on your way to becoming a pro designer. Then video content, which is a more real thing on the internet now. Content based around comedy, education, and sharing honest, helpful information with one another. Businesses migrating from local market sales to the online community and need content creators to help them grow on the social media. Companies began to take their marketing dollars from commercial ads with A-list celebrities and put them towards content creators and influencers with organic reach and high engagement rates. Number 2, user interface versus user experience design. Just like the house you live in, someone who is called an architect design how it should look like. Give the building plan to a mason or an engineer and boom, you get your house. Same way it applies to digital products. The mobile applications and the websites you visit, software you use were first designed by an individual known as a user interface designer. With the use of applications such as Figma, Adobe SD, Sketch, and some others, take an idea, turn it into a design and that is visualizable. Next, a programmer or an app developer takes the design and writes codes or use low-code applications to create the designs and make it a live product. User experience, or what is called a UX, is more about how a user behaves and interacts with the product. Number 3, web development. This era has made things so simple that you do not need to learn how to code before developing a website. See, there are low-code platforms like WordPress that already have thousands of free templates. Makes it easy for total non-techies to build beautiful professional websites in every little time. Drag and drop elements such as images, text, and position it on wherever on the page. Publish your work and that is it. One secret about earning as a WordPress guy is that many clients do not have any issue with where and what the website is built on as far as it's working as they want. Cool, yeah? You start making money by customizing templates. Not just that, there is this thing called low code or no code where you don't necessarily need to understand any programming language, but you can build any website. The trends of Web3, the combination of blockchain technology with traditional websites. To be a web developer, you need to learn languages like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, which are the fundamentals of building a successful front-end developer, the exterior parts of the website, interface that can be seen by users, or Java, PHP, Python, or any other backend developer that are responsible to the server-side languages. And why a full-stack developer is an individual who is both proficient in the back end and the front-end development. Number 4, programming. Programming in general requires you to learn a computer language to create problem-solving application. This is what people call coding. Understanding how computer works, writing codes to create software, manage big enterprise applications, and more. The evolution of artificial intelligence, machine learning for making robots and contributing to the invention of technological devices. Thus, programming is more about creating and solving problems using codes and the languages that computer understand. Yeah, you watched this long, so a sub here will be a very big thank you. Number 5, IT support. Do you know computer users also run into problems? Things like laptop hanging, stubborn printers, network issues, not knowing how to use the software, information about tech, and many more. From a medium-scale business that make use of computer devices, they have a person who is known as an IT expert or an IT support. Is a tech guy who is like an office doctor. Any complaint about computer usage is there to fix it. Number 6, digital marketing. Have you seen this or that? Yeah, that is a result of what the digital marketing looks like. With many people using the digital space to gain information, buy and sell, traditional way of marketing has changed. The social media became monetized and bare minimum necessity for any business or entrepreneur. And many of these companies don't know how the social platform works, so they need persons to manage it and make sales for them. These individuals study enough to understand where and what these online users want and how to push the business to them. Individuals or agencies called social media managers are responsible for the contents on the page and responding to engagements. A good understanding of how to make online sales can foster personal business growth, collect sales job, and as an affiliate, market it on the social media or act as a marketer for companies and they pay for the services. Okay, that is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe below. This is CS Leads. My name is Limo Nightingale.